I'm Mike Manna, Service Director at Fallsway Equipment. At Fallsway, we offer an extensive planned maintenance program to keep your lift truck fleet operating safely and at peak efficiency. There are 5 steps involved in our PM checklist, and the checkup takes about an hour to complete. In addition to lift trucks, we also provide the PM service for scissors lifts as well as walkie pallet trucks.
Our well-trained technician begins with a short interview of the material handling manager to learn about any problems with their equipment and addresses concerns that might impact our inspections. We continue our interviews with the forklift operator to learn about all of the day-to-day issues concerning each piece of equipment and to make sure we know of anything that needs evaluation. Operational testing is next. Many of these checks are performed while driving the forklift and putting it through a number of normal usage tests. While operating the forklift, our service technician will check the function of steering, braking, fork and mast systems, and any other optional attachments for safe and proper operation. All lights are cycled and checked for illumination. This is also the point where meters and switches get checked to make sure they are all in good working order. It may seem obvious, but a walk-around is done on every forklift to find any problem that might be routinely ignored by an operator. Sometimes an item that has not been functioning for a while can be forgotten by the operator during our initial interview. Visual inspections for all forklifts include checking the hydraulic system fluid levels and checking for leaks. All of the other fluids are checked, and notes are taken for any worn or leaking hoses, belts, and fittings. Our electrical system inspection includes the wiring harness and connections to the battery and all electrical components. Our service technicians inspect load and steering wheels for damage from wear, metal shavings, chunking, and incorrect alignment. If needed, recommendations are made for replacement with new wheels or pressing new rubber on your existing wheels. Many of the inspection points are the same, but electric forklifts get additional visual checks that include battery pack, electrolyte, cables, and connector inspections. All electric trucks will have their brake switch operation checked at this point for proper function. The load and caster wheels are also more closely inspected. Our 4th inspection step is where we really get to learn about maintenance issues and any major problems with the forklift. We clean all filters and replace disposable filters where needed, like the air filter or fuel filter. Our technicians remove corrosion and perform a complete battery inspection, including voltage and adding water if needed. All IC lifts will receive an engine oil and filter change and lubrication of all joints and bearings. For electric trucks, we perform a contactor operation check and inspect contactor tips for wear. No checkup is complete without a complete safety inspection, and our PM service covers optional safety equipment too. All optional safety equipment like operator restraints and backup horns are checked for wear and performance. We also check for warning decals and correct placement, as well as ensuring the capacity plate is in place. There are so many items in our extensive checklist, we haven't been able to cover every single item here. At the conclusion of our inspections, we get back in front of our customers and review all of the points and information gathered throughout the inspection process. Any items needing additional attention or repair are noted. Smaller issues we can fix right on the spot. For larger repairs, we will provide a quote and then schedule at your convenience.
We follow up our PM service with a letter and a quote mailed fast to keep you informed of areas that may need additional service or repaired. We also offer a full range of other lift truck services, including our fleet management as well as our budget billing maintenance service. After learning how Fallsway Equipment can provide planned maintenance service for you, you'll want to know how we price it. The good news is that we charge a flat rate labor per truck that includes travel. However, any parts that are necessary would be additional if needed. For more information on our planned maintenance program, contact our service department at 1-800-458-7941 or visit Fallsway Equipment on the web at fallsway.com.